The Clark the Shark Show for Tuesday, September 16, 2025. Oh, dude, he's just kicking back. When he does that, it looks like he's flipping me off. He's like, I'm going to lay on your couch, Shark, and just flip you off. Well, go ahead, Ghosty. Do what you will. There's a ghost, like, at the front door or something. I don't know what he's doing. Where are you, buddy? Yeah, I see you. They don't like all that stuff on the couch. Yeah, get it off. See that? Yeah. Wow. Look at them. Yeah, dude, I'll move that stuff. Don't worry, bro. I will. Sharky, I don't like this stuff. I'm trying to lay on the couch.